Hi there, students. To hang someone out to dry. Okay, this is to leave somebody in a difficult situation. To desert them when they needed trouble, when they needed support. Yeah, you're effectively leaving them in the lurch. Um, so, my boss knew what was going on, and suddenly there was a scandal about what I was doing. And my boss, he hung me out to dry. He said he didn't know anything about it, that it was all my responsibility. So to hang someone out to dry, to allow them to be punished, to be criticized, or to suffer unfairly without trying to help them. Yeah, let's see. I worked for that company for 20 years, and I gave my best. And then they just suddenly sacked me. Yeah, they just hung me out to dry. They sucked me dry and got rid of me. They hung me out to dry. Yeah. Okay, so very often maybe the media, the press, they find a scapegoat and they hang them out to dry, and nobody goes to help this person. They just leave them there. So yeah, this is like rats from a sinking ship. Um, let's see, if things go wrong, then very often everybody is trying to avoid having responsibility for it. Yeah, and suddenly everyone says, "I didn't know anything about this. This is nothing to do with me," and uh, the people who can't escape from it are hung out to dry. So this has the idea of being left in a difficult situation where you've been abandoned by the people who previously supported you. Yeah. So this was how the company rewarded loyalty. Yeah. I was hung out to dry. Yeah, it was my fault. The company had done nothing wrong. Okay, this is the idea of this. Yeah, is to abandon someone who's in need. Yeah, somebody who's in danger, especially a colleague at work or somebody who's dependent. Yeah, it has the idea of betraying somebody who might have expected protection or assistance. So I don't know, when the lease of Hong Kong went back from the British to China, I think the British left many of the people in Hong Kong. They hung them out to dry. They didn't give them permission to come to live in the UK. They were just abandoned in their hour of need. Yeah, I guess this is the idea of to leave someone hanging as well. But you're abandoning somebody in a dangerous position without any support at all. Okay. I As to formality, I guess this is. I would probably give it a 4 in formality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing, yes, but certainly no more than that. And then as to the origin, I think it's the idea of hanging your wet laundry or your wet clothes on a clothesline so that anybody can do anything they want with them. I think that's the idea. Yeah, so well, when you expect support from people and they've supported you up to that point and then suddenly they abandon you, that's to hang someone out to dry. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To hang someone out to dry.